Hello guys, here we're going to be tearing down this spall. It's got fiberglass bottom. As you can see, I've gotten a little bit done. I thought I'd record a video, so y'all won't be able to hear much. There's not going to be much going on really, just me cutting down the spall and doing guy things. And not being a weak-ass person like all those other videos with them destroying things, going, oh my god, we gotta destroy this. I'm trying my hardest. I can't break it. So, we are going to be actually destroying this thing. With muscle. And power. That's why I've got a chainsaw here. I don't know if y'all can hear me, but I got a chainsaw here. A 50-pound sledgehammer on the other side. Show y'all that here in a bit. And a really, really cool shovel. No, it is not broken. It is supposed to be like this. It's meant for special digging. Today, though, it's going to be used to destroy this. Let's get started. We got wire spaghettis in here. Damn, come on. Nice, we got wires. Chainsaw time! Hold on, guys. Number one thing, safety. Alrighty, safety first. Now let's get into the action. There goes the chainsaw, guys. Back to the shovel. Oh, wow. Okay, never mind. Sledgehammer's turn. I call this one sledgy. Hold on, guys. I just realized I was mispronouncing that. Axe. I know a lot of y'all bitches are gonna be, oh, but you didn't, you called it the wrong thing. Fuck y'all. Alright, look. Axe, sledgehammer, half. Axe, sledgehammer, half. I'm using sledgehammer side, so sledgehammer. And he's ready to strike, and he breaks through. Fuck yeah. Woo. Let me get this up here real quick. And I sharpened the sides of these shovels so I can break things too. Woo. There you go. Alright guys, I'm gonna bust out the side of this. Just like this. Oh damn, I actually cut that in pretty decent shape. Okay, we'll reuse this. And that's heavy duty. I know who might like that shit. Alright, next, upper, lower. That broke right through, and bottom half. Woo! All right. How we doing on time? We're doing good, okay. Woo. Can't tell if that person's at our house or not. Okay. I'll be right back, guys. I'll cut this part out the video. Alright. Here's our neighbors coming back from church, most likely. Ow. It's terrifying how hard I hit with this. Nice. Alrighty. This thing's really kicking my ass. I can't hardly breathe in this mask. Whew. Oh shit. Oh. Okay. Well, gotta use chainsaw then. Well guys, this is why you never use an open chainsaw system. I almost got my finger caught in that. Thankfully I've got absorbent gloves. Nothing happened. The show must go on. Got a solid cut all the way through. All I gotta do is cut here and this whole truck will come out. But you know what we need to do first? Before that continues, we gotta dump that. So, y'all come up with me. We're gonna dump this real quick. I think y'all are gonna like how I'm gonna do this. Alright. First I'm gonna maybe right here. Can y'all see that? Get in. Alright, yeah, I can see that. I know that, guys. This ain't a funny fails video. told you. Was it going to be a fail? Alrighty. We're going to see if we can get this set up again. There you go. One more time. One more. Just a little bit now. 50-pound sledgehammer! Fuck yeah! Oh shit! Okay. One more on the inside. You know what? Going over here. Hi, I see you. Not, please. Go away. Oh shit. Well. Oh shit. Alright guys, I've worn myself out. I think we're going to take a little break here. I'm going to go get in a cold shower. Y'all have a... Oh. Probably couldn't hear me, huh? Alright guys. I'm gonna take a cold shower after this. I will try to make a part 2. Don't know how well that's gonna go, but we'll see. So you have a fantastic day.